this is the part 2 of the Blender software. Now we will be go to the like how to create the 3D model of the terrain. So firstly I will be tell you what is the light. Like for example, this is the light. You can on from this, and this is for the camera, in which just wait like this. Okay, so if I add for example the cube, so this is, for example, if you're just plotting the data, or you're plotting the terrain, so they will be captured from this side, and they will be lightning for this side. So these two are very important by finishing your project, to give the image animation, or the lightning of your blender folder. So firstly we will go to the object, and we will go to the edit, and go to the plane. In this plane we will be firstly go to the edit, and go to the edit subdivision, subdivide. How much you subdivide, it will be clarify your terrain. So I will be like, this cell size is enough to me. So firstly I will be go to the object mode. I will be go to the this first will be subdivision modifier, and then I will be add the display. And the display, you can use the, okay, so I will be move like this. So you will be add your texture, which is known as elevation. In the elevation you can add your dim file by dragging on it. You can also click from this side, you can also take from this side and open it, and I click dim file. Okay, so this is my dim file, but it is white in color because I not include the texture. So I will go to the this coloring, add. This is the preset PDF. This is the texturing of this metallic roughness. So I will be in the basic color, go to the image texture, and open the folder. This will be my image texture, in which the yellow one shows the highest elevation, and the this one will be shown lowest elevation. So you can see it. We can create a texture. We can also go to the shadow smooth. So you can also change, like for example, it will be show the metallic one texture. If I just change the roughness of the my 3D model, you can also change different color and everything from this size. And okay, so like this you can save it. So this is panel, you can check mark. So this is one modifiers which can edit, and this is the plain color. So if you go to the solid mode, so it will be no color. If you go to the x-ray mode and go to the edit mode, so it will give you different pixels in which plane are edit. I go to the object mode and remove the x-ray, go to the color. This is the two. This is the black and white color, and this is the this one. Okay, so this is our 3D model, which you can see it. And now we will be now taking the pictures. So if I go to the render and image, so they show me that no camera found in your scene. So firstly we can add the camera, add, and go to the camera, and by camera we can check mark. Okay, so like this, and go to the R, and by clicking Z, so it will be only move in the Z axis. So this will be the camera. So if I now go to the render image, so they will be created me an image. So wait a minute, camera angle is not good, so I will be again try it. So the main reason why the render cannot, I go to the render image, so it cannot visible. The main reason is the lighting. So we are not creating the lighting. So firstly we go to the lighting. uh, if I can show you in the black and white, so it's mean it very black and white color. But whenever I just open the add the lightning and just move it like this, GR, G and Z axis. Okay, so it will be give the light to the my 3D model. If I go to this, so it will be give the light. If I G, yes, so this is the lightning of my 3D model. If I go to sun, so it will be give me the light, and I can remove like this. So okay, so go to this, I go to the point G, GZ. Okay, and the camera can go to the like, okay, so now I, the camera will be the, if I go to the R and go to the G, so it will be good now. So now we will be go to this black and white and select this one and go to this sun and then go to point GX GY. So this is my uh, lightning source. Now I will be, now if I go to the render image, so it will be now created the image, but it took like, yes, so they will, the camera is focusing now. Now I will be change the camera or smaller the camera. Check it. I will also increase the size of the camera. S, if I click it, SX and Control G. Think if I, yes, it's very hard work, but you can manage the like this 3D model. Now you can see it, the 3D model will be visible to now. If I more precise, coloring. Okay, I think my whole model is now okay. Go to the this, go to the to this random. Now you can see that this your 3D model is now prepared. So you can manage your 3D model like this, and you can also like image you can save as and save as you can image your picture in JPG format, and this will be your image. If I can show you, this will be your image. So now this video you can learn how to uh, create a 3D model and how to click the image. So we'll be next time add some another thing which can be doing in the Blender software. So we'll be meet in next video.